Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. We begin with a Primetime News follow-up. Residents of Foreshore Road in Port Royal, Kingston have been given more time to vacate the area. This is the latest in the ongoing controversy about the demolition of houses on the lands. The people are planning to take their plight to Parliament tomorrow to stop the demolition. Now, TVJ's Shamela Pullen was in the community today and now reports.
It was a calm day along the shores of this beach on Foreshore Road in Port Royal. But beyond this point, growing anxiety among residents.
You know, it's devastating. You don't sleep Saturday, don't sleep Sunday. I was supposed to be at work right now. And I just tell him that I can't be at work. I have to be here to see what's going on.
On Saturday, representatives from the National Land Agency, NLA, and the police turned up to carry out demolition activities. But it didn't go as planned, so they promised to return on Monday. Based on the eviction notice, when we arrived at Foreshore Road, we thought persons would be removing their furniture and other items. But the people here are adamant that they will not leave unless they have somewhere to go. There are at least 22 houses and 3 businesses that are being considered for demolition. Tashna Tomlinson, owner of Beachview Restaurant, says she has been in business for over 8 years. Ms. Tomlinson showed us a letter she received from the NLA after she made queries to purchase the property some years ago. The NLA response, dated June 2, 2014, said, quote, "The property is not owned by the Commissioner of Lands," end of quote. Ms. Tomlinson argues that she has done significant development work and will do whatever it takes to protect her business.
We've done a lot of work around here, as you can see. We planted the trees, we put in lighting system, water, shade, in case people come on the beach, they can sit in a cool spot. And even the trees, we carry water for 3 years to grow these trees. And I put a lot of money into this place. During that time, where's everybody? We pay for beach cleanup. Where's everybody then?
The residents pointed to this plot of land just minutes away from their community where they were promised to be relocated some years ago. However, since that promise, only delays on top of delays.
17 years ago, they promised that they was going to build some house up the top. And they bulldoze it down, run street light and everything, and all of a sudden everything scrapped. And then the next couple of years after that, they said they're selling it to individually. And they send out some papers and we signed, and then we haven't heard anything. We even pay some money. Some people that get approved even pay some money, and then nothing happened.
Meanwhile, the residents have started a petition to lobby the government for alternatives.
Well, when I did the research, we required at least 50 signatures. So far, we have gotten almost 150, and we're still going out today to get some more.
And after you get the signatures?
Then we'll be moving on to Parliament tomorrow to present it to the government representatives to see if we can petition them, because we really need somewhere to live.
Meanwhile, Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Darrell Vaz, confirmed that the land is needed for the redevelopment of Port Royal. He says the people have until January to move. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.